So we all know about women empowerment, and I am a woman as well, giving here, delivering my speech and hosting, and also in a very amazing position. So women are leaders everywhere. They are CEO to housewives to warriors. They're everything. So if a woman wants, they can achieve every single thing. They're fabulous and they're awesome. So with that being said, now please welcome none other than the pioneer of all the youths, and for all the girls and women and all the young ladies out there, it's none other than Noore Jannat Meem, founder of 1 Minute English with Meem. A huge round of applause for this beautiful, gorgeous diva. Thank you, everybody.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing really great. Life is treating you all well, and if you ask about me, then Alhamdulillah, I'm cool as always. So well, thank you so much to English Olympiad for giving me the opportunity to be here. So well, the motto here is inspiring leadership that we all know. So who is a leader? A person who leads a community or a group, a team, an organization is actually a leader. And the qualities that are required for a person to be a leader are basically the leadership qualities that our honorable guest, Harun sir, actually talked about it. So well, I'm going to talk about a different issue, that is mental health. Nowadays, most of our kids are actually depressed with different kinds of topic. It might be any family problem or any problem in their personal life or study life or anything. So well, I'm going to tell a short story, a story that we all might know. It's the story about the happiest bird in the world. So well, once upon a time there was a crow who thought that I'm black, I'm ugly, and not the happiest bird of the world. So I want to know how it feels to be the happiest bird in the world. So in front of him there lived a swan too, who was fair and beautiful. So the crow went to the swan and asked him, "Hey, how does it feel to be the most beautiful bird in the world?" The swan said, "I'm not the most beautiful bird of the world because I have only one color. You would better go to the parrot. It has two colors, red and green, which is more beautiful than me." So the crow went to the parrot and asked him, "Hey parrot, you are really beautiful. You have two different colors. So please tell me, how does it feel to be the most beautiful bird in the world?" Then the parrot said, "You're wrong, my friend. I am not the most beautiful bird in the world because I have only two colors. You would better go to the peacock and ask him how does it feel to be the most beautiful bird in the world, as he's really famous, he's at the zoo, he has many different colors and people are willing to take their pictures with that peacock all the time." So the crow flew to the zoo and was waiting when the crowd will be low so that he could talk to him and he could know how does it feel to be the most beautiful bird in the world. So when the crowd was lazy, he went there and he asked, "Hey, you are so beautiful, you have so many colors, and you are famous too. People were in this queue to take a picture with you. So please tell me, how does it feel to be the most beautiful bird in the world?" So then the peacock said, "Yes, you're right, I'm beautiful and I'm famous too, but I cannot do whatever I want. I cannot go around, I cannot roam and fly just like you, so I am not the happiest bird in the world. Rather, I think, crow, you are the most happiest bird in the world because you can go wherever you want, you can do wherever you want, and nobody asks about you. So please, crow, tell me, how does it feel to be the most beautiful bird in the world?" So here's the story. Like, we think that we lack a single thing and the person who has that thing might be the most happiest guy, but that thing is actually not true. Happiness is a relative thing and we all want to be leader, and that's why we're here. So if we are happy with ourselves, if we have the mental peace, then we can actually acquire all the things, we can do everything that we want. So this mental peace, the state of being happy, is really important. So well, I hope we will be happy with whatever we have, and remember one thing, whatever happens is for the best, and just keep your faith in Allah, do your work, and inshallah He'll be amazing, you will be an amazing leader. So thank you so much for bringing me here. I hope to see you all soon. Everyone, Allah Hafiz.